Assalamu alaikum, dear all. This is Saud Iqbal, and you are watching the Elite Academy of English Language and IT. Today, I'm here with a very essential topic, which is pronoun and the types of pronoun. पर तेरा वीडियो के मुंग खबर अकड़े वा the parts of speech और बागा के मुंग value च noun सतवाई और दागे types कम दी नो नन राजू वायु pronoun और the pronoun types. Pronoun Satawai. Pronoun why the word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. Aga loves. Che aga the noun pazaiban the yuski aga tabatsawayu pronoun. The word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. Come word. Che the noun pazaitsa yuski aga tabatsawayu pronoun. The pronoun types come the. The pronoun types the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun bamung satawayu. What is subject pronoun? Pronoun which is used instead of subject. Aga pronoun ch aga the subject pazai bande use ki gi aga tabatsawayu subject pronoun. For example, he is my friend. No da he ch kamde da pa subject ki use shave de that's the pronoun pazai bande. No data bamung tawayu subject pronoun. Bal razu wayu possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun, those pronouns which are used for ownership. Aga pronoun chaga the ownership matlab the malkiyat da para istimaligi age tabamung tawayu possessive pronoun. For example, my. This is my car. यानी पदे के मलकियत जाहिर शवे दे चिराकार जे कम दे दा जमा दे कार माई कार गाड़ी यानी दा गाड़े जमा दे नु पदे के चौशवल पदे के मलकियत जाहिर शो नो दिस इज माई कार दलता दा माई जे कम दे दे तब मुंग सवायु पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन यानी ओनरशिप जाहिर है हाँ उस राजू वायु ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन सतावायु what is objective pronoun? Those pronouns which are used instead of object. Aga pronouns ch aga the object paze bande use kigi aga tabamung tsawayu objective pronoun. For example, the mango was eaten by me. Nudalta the me ch kam de da kam pronoun de ch da the object paze bande use shove. Nudeta tabamung tsawayu objective pronoun. But there is a munsara demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns tawai those pronouns which point out toward something. Aga pronouns ch aga tata point kai yosis tata point kai. For example, those. Those are students. Aga studentandi talib ilmandi no aga eta tazakral point ekral darta ch aga studentandi means those are students. Balrazi relative pronouns. Relative pronoun basatawai those pronoun which join two clauses or sentences. Aga pronoun chaga join kavi ya dwa clauses ya sentences jumle aga join kai no age tabamung chawayu relative pronoun. For example, when, who, etc. Da se nur hum. Lakasanga. I will attend the class when you come. I will attend the class when you come. Nadalta da when che kam de da zamung saratsara gale de relative pronoun. Lakasanga da de when che kam de joining ko I will attend the class when you come. Zaba class akhalam che kala tarashe. Bal the success come to those who work hard. The success come to those who work hard. Nudpadi ke zamung sara dwara gali di changa da yo de demonstrative pronoun de da those che kam de dal dal tamung vele de da demonstrative pronoun de pade ke zamung sara relative pronoun kam yo de jaga dwa clauses ya dwa sentence yo zai kadi di join kadi di aga de zamung sara ho. The success come to those who work hard. कामयाबी आगा तरातले शी चे चोक مهنت زیات کوي، هارد ورک کوي. کامیابی کومه طرح راتلی شي چې څوک هارد ورک کوي. نو په دې کې زموږ سره ریلیټیو پروناون کم یو دی هو چې هغه 2 کلاسز جوین کړي دي.